We're on the Granny Square number 3 of the Ultimate Granny Square Sourcebook. It's called Over the Rainbow Square, and something that's different from this one from the previous 2 ones is that this one gives 112 stitches on the perimeter instead of 80 as the previous 2 did. So it's going to be a little bigger. Let's get to it. I've got my yarn right here. Now it's a lot of colors. It is a rainbow after all, so it had to have color, right? What do we start with? Gray. I will say I'm a little curious as to why the sky is gray. I mean, shouldn't the sky be like a pretty blue or something? I know there's blue in the rainbow, so maybe that's why they changed the sky color to something else, but I kind of feel like we could have just used 2 types of blues and it would have been a little more cheery. I guess that's just my opinion.
That's my opinion!
So this is what it's looking like. It's kind of like not laying flat anymore. So maybe once it's blocked, it'll be fine, but I'm not sure. And now we've come to the color changes, so we'll see how that goes. You can come up if you want. He's like, are you having fun without me? How dare you? Yeah, exactly. I'm yours. This is what it's looking like now. Okay, and I'm guessing now that I just carry on the gray for the whole, like to finish the circle. What does blow mean? The rainbow is worked in blow, B-L-O. Blow. Okay, I just counted and I did it wrong because I have like 53 half double crochets all around, and I'm supposed to be at maybe 48, maybe 36. I should probably read the pattern before actually doing something and then reading the pattern and checking if I did it right. I think that's where my mistake lies. I'll start this round again. I still don't know what blow means. Okay, Google, what does BLO in crochet mean?
Crochet means back loop only. When we talk about
Good thing I checked before actually trying again. So I'm just gonna go in the back loop, la la la. So funny when you don't know what you're doing. I just counted and I do have the right number of stitches all around, so I don't know why it's still so curvy. But again, I'm gonna trust the process. Maybe once it's blocked, it won't be that bad, but I doubt it. It's kind of becoming boob shape. Yeah, that could definitely cup my boobies. I don't know. I think I need to give up for today. Something is not working. See how curved that is? I just need to take a step back. Okay, so I've got everything I might need and we're starting over. I've tried laying it flat and it just doesn't. It still has like a nipple effect and I don't like it. So it's okay, we're gonna start over. And I guess at least now all my yarn is pre-cut, so that's also great. This can go here. That way I'm sure not to lose it. Maybe my tension is too tight. Maybe that's the issue. Because I did have the right amount of stitches everywhere. I counted every single row. I think I'm gonna start over at this row. I don't need to start over this part right here because this is all nice and laying flat. Okay, so what I'm trying to do to keep my tension as loose as possible is I pull on the yarn to like reach over to the next place I'm gonna stitch in. I think it's working, so that's good. Something else I didn't discuss, this square has a fun mix of types of yarn, and I know it's not ideal, but it is what it is. I'm not going to be purchasing new yarn unless I absolutely have to. Let's see if it lays flat. It does. And now I can go on to the next row. Now I'm going to start with the purple. So this is pretty neat because everything is already in order, so I don't have to think about it too much. So now in the next 22 stitches, there will be purple in the back loop. So 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, I think I skipped a row. Damn it. Gonna start over. I'm not doing this right. I don't know how to read a pattern. This is hard. Oh shoot, I made a mistake in the purple one. It was supposed to be back loop only. Gonna start again. I don't want to make mistakes. If I notice them, I have to correct myself. But oh man, I don't want to start over. Okay, so back at it again in the back loop. It is laying flat. That's a win in my books. On to the next color. And now I'm learning from my mistakes and going straight for the back loop with the colors, and my tension is also taken into consideration. Right, so this is still nice and flat. I think I've got my tension right now. Of course, I wouldn't want to jinx myself. Let's just hope I have enough yarn. Uh-oh, crap. I'm definitely losing at yarn chicken. I think it's okay because in the end, there will be clouds that will hide these errors. So I need to stop starting over and I need to actually get this done. Yeah, that's what I think now. And now remember, Emily, you want to back loop with the color. And remember your tension. Laying flat, good. Okay, this is working out. Is it laying flat? Kinda. Yeah, it's laying flat, good enough. Let's not forget I'm supposed to block everything at the end. And I'm almost back to the point where I was yesterday when I gave up. Okay, now we're on to the corners. It's still not perfectly flat. Let's be honest, I don't like that this is not going perfectly well the first time. Can't wait to be done with this. Just gonna mark where the corner should be with another piece of yarn because I'm too lazy to get my stitch markers. I was supposed to use the back loop. I don't want to start over again. But it's not gonna look right. Oh crap. Well, so as you can tell, I had to change. I was heading off to a pottery class and now I'm back and dirty, but that's okay. We're gonna finish this square. I did finish adding the corners. I think something's wrong with the placement of my corners. I think I still need to start over. Totally fine. I don't mind. This is fun. Please be better. Is it better? I think it's better. We're just gonna say that it is. Okay, I think this is somehow better. It's not laying completely flat, but again, it's not blocked, so I need to go on to the next round. Still a little funky looking. Hopefully this works. What next? Back post. Single crochet. Okay, something else new. How do you do a back post?
Ever since the day that you went away, you went away. You've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
Wait, I'm doing this wrong. Shoot. I think I'm doing it upside down. Yeah, I am. See, the chains are like in the front and the back is what I'm looking for. Ah, crap, I have to start over again.
Flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
Before I show you the finished product of the square, I need to actually create the clouds and tack them on. So let's do that.
And hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away.
Like, I know it's a cloud, so like, who cares? But I was really looking forward to like making it cloudish, and now it's just like blobish. I guess a cloud is a blob, so that kind of works. Maybe I did do it right, and I don't even know. But it doesn't look right, so that's bothering me. I guess it is what it is, right? Let's try again for the second cloud.
You went away, you went away. Sending, sending, you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you
Again, no clue if this is right, but at least it's the same as the other one. So I've got two of these little cloudish shapes, and I'm gonna sew them on. I'm not gonna show you while I sew them. I'm gonna show you the final result, okay? I'm tired of this, so now I've got attitude. I just woke up. This is the next day. I can hear it in my voice, actually. I haven't spoken yet this morning. Are you ready to see the square, the number 3? Here you have it. It's not horrible. It's just, how is this gonna fit in a project that I would make? Because this would be great for a child. So maybe I should use this in a second project. Anyway, at least now it lays flat too, or flatter. As you can tell, there's still a slight curve right here. Boop. I just need to block it. At least it's done and we can move on. Let me know, what should I do with the more childish squares? Should they still be part of the main project? Because I could give these to my cousin who just had a baby, who's like a couple months old now. That could be fun. Yeah, let me know. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.